Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to install a simple HTTP server on Linux. First, make sure that you have a Kubernetes cluster ready and set up. Step 1 is to add the Træfik Helm repo. Make sure to update it. Step 2 is to install Træfik. This will handle our ingress. We will be creating a namespace for it. Step 3 is to add the Træfik mesh helm repo and make sure to update it. Step 4. Install Træfik mesh. This will act as a service mesh in our cluster. Step 5 is to deploy our application. This resource file describes a deployment and a service. A deployment will deploy pods and shit, but you don't have to worry about that. The service describes an endpoint to our deployment. Step 6 is to deploy the ingress. This will allow the outside world to reach our precious application. Step 7. Quickly verify that your application works. And step 8. Simply scale to the moon. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. See you all. Goodbye.